You done now? The camera came out.
I'm done. You little bitch.
So who gon' So that's 5. What time shall I wake up in advance?
You better wake up and get. Hey, whenever you ready to lose this money.
Nigga, you know what? I'm ready now. I'm ready now.
Okay, I gotta go play cards.
Cards.
Yeah.
Cards.
Yeah.
With who? Mama?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Nigga, you gonna play cards with one person?
Yeah.
Sound like a little crap.
Sound like a party.
Wow. Bro. I'm that nigga in 2K, bro.
Not, man.
Scored 56.
You're garbage.
Bro, he had
man.
the Clippers, bro. I had Cavaliers.
Cameras, man.
Talk to him, bro.
Oh, he ain't got a front camera on this bullshit. But anyway, the only reason he won is because I only shot threes the whole entire game. Come on, man. That's how I really thought about his game. I only shot